Welcome back to the Computer Guy, and this is the everybody likes this whooshy. Today we are going to be alrighty. Let's take a look at this guy. So I got this for Bubba. Comes with a filter. At least the packaging shows that there's a filter. So any like stranded cat hair that might want to, I don't know. Bubba likes to lick himself. Any comment? Anyways, let's get to opening this up. Alrighty. So let's take a look. Probably pretty self-explanatory. Get this guy here and trying to record and do this again one-handed. Very, very talented here. We got the little lid here. We've got all the extra stuff in here. Important reminder. Very good advice. Yeah, and then it's basically just like that. Wow, it's out of the bag. No trickery needed. Yeah. So this is the little pump. But yeah, this is the TP 180. Yeah. Let's see if we can. Yep. And then obviously here's the filter. So let's see if we can put this guy together. May not be able to see it, but there's these little notches here. It looks like that this just goes down into probably the feed up to this guy here, and then this is what's going to probably, so the cable probably goes through here, and then this just helps keep the water from going back down through. So we'll do that here in a sec. So it looks like it does matter which way this goes. I believe it does have to go this way. That on there, and that should snap all into place. Yeah, there we go. So we'll clean this guy up, we'll get it in use, and we'll have some B-roll there for the end. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications. Also, don't forget to check out all the shorts and stuff that are coming out. We'll see you next time.